I welcome you all to this presentation on higher education in Bangladesh on behalf of my co-authors, Mahfuzul, Syed, Manzur. This is Nurul, Absar. So you have already come to know about history of education, which is closely linked to history of higher education in Bangladesh. In the undivided Bengal dates back to middle of 19th century when Calcutta University and number of degree awarding colleges such as Dhaka College, Chittagong College, Eden College, Rajshahi College, Murai Chand College, Kumilla Victoria College were established. Then in 1921, the British government set up Dhaka University, and then during the British period, actually, then the Pakistani period, we saw some other universities like Rajshahi University, Bangladesh Agricultural University, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, Chittagong University, and Jahangirnagar University. So you see, the now National University came into existence by the National University Act 1982. Then, so this National University is affiliating university. It doesn't have any mentionable program, on-campus program. Rather, it is affiliating all the colleges that are offering honors or pass or master's degree. Then in Bangladesh, government banned distance education through private sector. So only one public university, Bangladesh Open University, it is offering distance education. And then private university came in 1992. That Private University Act revised in 1998, and the recent Private University Act through major amendment came in 2010. And beside this, there is also madrasa education system running parallelly to that of the government, whose main focus is on Muslim religious studies, including all of madrasas that have come under Islamic Arabic University, which is just in 2015. This university, Islamic Arabic University, has been established by the government, and now all madrasas offering degrees equivalent to undergraduate, graduate, or postgraduate, regulated by Islamic Arabic University. So National University and Islamic Arabic University both are affiliating university. National University affiliating all colleges. Then Islamic Arabic University, this is affiliating all madrasas. So you see the number, public university 45, then private university 103, and most of them don't have yet permanent campus, but government is creating pressure for having full-fledged campus. Only few of them have transferred to their own campus, and all are under government pressure and trying to set up their own facilities. Then 3 international university, these are established under different act, and where government doesn't have any at all intervention, like Islamic University of Technology, established under OIC, then Asian University for Women. This is established by one foundation, US-based foundation. Then Cherry Blair, former British First Lady, she's the Chancellor of Asian University for Women. Then South Asian University, Delhi-based university. So we are affiliated with that, though it doesn't have yet any operation in Bangladesh. And we are one of the governing members. Bangladesh is one of the governing members of South Asian University, and we are hoping to have our campus also, South Asian University's campus also in Bangladesh. Then enrollment, Bangladesh has experienced a commendable progress in terms of enrollment in higher education institution. Total enrollment in the local Higher education institutes, 1.75 million in 2009, 3.96 million in 2017, a massive 126% growth. Over the period, public university enrollment, including those in affiliated colleges, madrasas and institutions, and Bangladesh Open University has grown by 133%. And private university enrollment has grown by 76%. Affiliated colleges under the National University have been soaking up major proportions of the total enrollments in Bangladesh, which is more than 62% on an average in this 8 years period from 2010 to 2018. If we keep the bulk enrollment by the National University apart, one clear structural change in the higher education structure of Bangladesh becomes evident, and that is private universities have overtaken the baton of higher education from public universities in terms of enrollment. So if we deduct students of National University and Islamic Arabic University and also Bangladesh Open University, then private university is in the lead in Bangladeshi context. So you see the enrollment proportions by types of higher education institution from 2010 to 2017. If you see 2017 public 7.17, then National University 63 all colleges, then madrasas 5.71, then other affiliated colleges like medical colleges, like Dhaka Medical Colleges under Dhaka University, Chittagong Medical College under Chittagong University, 6.29%. Then Bangladesh Open University, 8.04 distance, then private university, 8.95. So if you compare public, 7.17, private, 8.95. So this already discussed, and you see the trend from 2010 to 17. Oh, sorry. Then, oh, sorry. Then 2010 to 17 in case of private universities. Then higher education group-wise yearly enrollment. Okay, this we have already shown. Then male-female ratio we would like to show by this slide, you see. Male-female proportion in total enrollment in public and private institutions. So total, you see, male, 2010 to 2017, total male, then total female, you see. And yes, that I would show. Okay. So we are seeing that it is in case of total male, it is the range you see from 57 to 61, and in case of female it is 39 to 42, like that. Then gross enrollment ratio, total that is 17.62, 2017. In case of female, 14.48. In case of male, 20.63. Then you see different programs. Fazil under madrasas, duration 2 years, bachelor pass, bachelor honors, medicine, architecture, Kamil, that is master degree for bachelor's pass, for a student having passed in bachelor pass, that is BA pass. For master degree, it takes 2 years. For a student having BA honors or suppose BSc honors, for master degree it takes 1 year. Then MBA, MPhil, PhD, and other certificate programs. So degree and discipline-wise enrollment, I'd like to show you. You see, in case of public universities, in 2017, bachelor pass, bachelor honors, then masters, other are very negligible. So out of 100%, you see pass students 43.57, honors 47.65, and master degree only 8.37 in case of public universities. And in case of private universities actually don't offer that much pass, rather all honors or equivalent, like BSc in engineering degree, BBA, BPharm, like 83.4% students go for honors, then masters 14.91. Then enrollment proportion in different disciplines at the public universities. You see arts and humanities, this one. Then social science. So out of 100%, you see the ratio. Arts and humanities, then social science. Then education, this. Then business administration, very popular. Okay. Then law, then science, you see. It is decreasing. Okay, it is decreasing. Then medical, then other agriculture and others. So most of the students are studying in arts and humanities and social sciences in Bangladeshi context. Then in case of, that was public university, and then private universities, you see. Arts and humanities, private universities. Then social science. Then education, difficult to find. But business administration, private universities. So one recent trend is that with Industry 4.0, that is fourth industrial revolution, we are seeing in Bangladesh, business education is to some extent declining, whereas engineering education in the private sector, you see, increasing. This is engineering education. Okay. So private universities are having basically engineering and science, then a few arts and humanities, law, and other courses. Teacher-student ratio. You see, teachers with teacher-student ratio and public universities, excluding National University and Open University, and all affiliated colleges, 1:25. Okay. And teachers with PhD, public 31%, now it has increased 35%. Then private university, 1:23 it was, teacher-student ratio, now it's almost same. And teachers with PhD in private, it is 21%, including even part-time teachers. In our UGC report, we did not find any data about teachers with PhD, full-time teachers with PhD in private universities.
Okay, I'm going to have to ask you to wrap up. I'm sorry. Can you just take 1 minute to wrap up?
Okay. Then allocation of public universities in national budget. Okay, this is share of university education in education budget. You see, in case of 2016 and 2017, 8% in total education budget for universities or for higher education, 8%. And in national budget, it is 1%. Okay. Unemployment, for males, 8.3%, for female, 21.4%. And graduate unemployment, 11.2%, whereas national average is 4.2%. So this is the governance, Ministry of Education, UGC, universities. Then a typical senate of a university. Only 5 universities are having senate. Then syndicate for all public universities, almost similar, and private universities are also having syndicate.
All right, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to cut you off there.
Okay, it is done.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, I'm going to open for comments or questions for